Today we discuss glycolic acid serum. It's very nice packaging. 1.0% glycolic acid serum I can buy from website 2250 rupees. You can see manufacturing and buying 30 ml bottle. You can use before makeup. After use you can apply your moisturizer. You can use twice a day. And its main function is remove your acne marks from your skin. It's remove 5-year-old acne marks in just 2 weeks. It's a challenging serum. You can see the result. Now you can see the insides. It's remove your acne scars, acne mark, dullness, your skin even tone. It's best for all skin types. You can use the moisturizer from this L'Oreal Glycolic. The recommendation is cleanser, serum, day-night cream, and then one mark sheet in a week. It's remove your dead skin, roughness, and spotless skin. The main work is remove 5-year-old acne in just 2 weeks, but you can use 4 weeks. The texture is very smooth, easily absorbed in your skin. Now question answer about glycolic acid serum. What is glycolic acid used for? It is best for acne, aging skin, dark skin patches, acne scars. Can we use glycolic acid every day? Yes, you can use twice a week. After that, you can twice a week avoid your irritating the cream with a consistency above that. What is side effect? If your skin is dry, any burning, redness, itching, any skin rash, you cannot use glycolic acid. Can I use after glycolic acid moisturizer? Always moisturizer after use. Now subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.